Isolated from the outside, clouds have taken all the light. I have no control, it seems my thoughts wander off the time when I try to live life without you. Birds falling down the rooftop, out of the sky like raindrops, nowhere, no price. If being myself is what I do wrong, then I would rather not be right. Hopes turn into fear, and with my one wing I can fly with sunrise and raise my dreams high, and that's why they're falling down the rooftop, out of the sky like raindrops, no air, no brighter. To a place without sea, with no moonlight. All I need is trees and flowers and some sunlight. What memories are being made and where the old one died, where loving lies. Birds falling down the rooftop, out of the sky like raindrops. Birds falling down the rooftop, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no price. That's why birds don't fly.